You have to try this super easy cake with your kids. All you need is Oreo and milk. In a mug, put 4 Oreo biscuits. Smash them with a fork. Add milk to cover them. Add 1 tablespoon flour, sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, cocoa powder, 1 Oreo for decor. Push it in so the kids will have a surprise. Pop it in the microwave for 1 minute. Because the mug was too small, ours ended up like this. We put the other one in a bowl and came up like this.
Perfect!
For more kids activities, follow our channel.